Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for Wednesday, March 26th. Hope everyone's having a happy hump day. Go get them humps in. Before we get started, if you could be so kind as to give me a like and a follow, or whatever it's called these days. Did you do it? Well, thank you. Here's a picture of a really cute sloth. All right, let's get into the charts. So, since yesterday, we've been looking at, since yesterday, we were looking at this diamond pattern, as well as this bull flag pattern. We still have this bull flag measured move from down there, so we'll move that back up here. Anyway, yeah, so the diamond pattern did start playing out like a diamond would to the side. We could adjust this a little bit, more so like that, and then that. Still forming a diamond there. And like I was saying yesterday, a diamond pattern is a reversal pattern. Usually what that means is if it comes in from the bottom, then it'll come out to the bottom. So now we're watching for this diamond pattern. Now, the diamond pattern is within this bull flag. And right now is decision time for the diamond pattern. If it can get lower, it'll probably continue to go lower. Hopefully stopping at 85. But if it gets lower, or, at the lowest, 85. But if it does get any lower than, our last low, then that's where it's going to go. However, if it can find a bottom right here, put in that higher high, well, then this diamond is invalidated. It's no longer a diamond pattern, and this bull flag remains. Now, if this drop in price can get under that 786, flipping that 85 K support level, then the bull flag's gone. If it gets down to that 85 and bounces, well, then we just move our measured move and we're looking at 90. But if we're looking at from here still, well, it could go a little higher than that. Hopefully it does. Indicators. So we are seeing the RSI moving down into bearish territory. However, with price action remaining up here, we're seeing a hidden bullish divergence. What is a hidden bullish divergence? Well, that simply means we'll make this a green one so that it's different from these other ones, different from the bull flag and the diamond pattern. But basically, what I'm trying to show you is lower lows here on RSI, while price action is putting in higher lows. That is what we call a hidden bullish divergence. So now if this bullish divvy can, take off, diamond pattern is going to be invalidated. And that gives one more bullish signal to support this bull flag playing out as well. We are seeing a divergence between the stochastic RSI and the RSI as well. We're seeing higher lows here on the Stokes, lower lows here on the RSI. That's also a bullish divergence. So yeah, we're seeing some bullish div. Things are looking a little more bullish. A little bit. We're still pensive though, as long as we're in this bear flag here on the 6-hour chart, and as long as we're under the 200 here on the 6-hour as well. The indicators here on the 6-hour chart are pointing to the downside as well here on the Stokes. And here, however, on the RSI, we're still in bullish territory. Yeah, we're under the signal line, which could be signaling some bearish momentum. However, we're still in bearish territory, and we're seeing confluence with higher lows, both on price and on RSI, and here on the Stokes. Well, we haven't really seen a low yet, so possible higher lows. If this diamond plays out like we were talking about, which is getting a little bit slightly less likely, which would get less likely if this bullish divergence actually prints, What I mean by that is we're currently seeing this candle being created. It's only got 34 more minutes, but what we need to see is a bottom. So the next candle not going any lower. The next point here on the RSI not going any lower, or in fact starting to, curl and push back up. Same deal here with the Stokes. We want to see the Stokes start curling and pushing back up. It'll start with the RSI. If we see the RSI start to curl, then we'll see the Stokes start to curl. What do I mean? Well, look, here's the RSI curling right there. And the Stokes kind of just stayed down here. All right, so yeah, watch for the RSI to start curling. There it is. Here we go. New candle, new 90-minute candle starting. Let's see if it'll back up to the upside. It'll frit its way back to the upside, or if it, continues down. Diamond versus bull flag. Okay, back to the 6-hour chart. Sorry. Yeah, you know where this bear flag leads. You know where it gets invalidated. We've talked about this. So now if we can see, I forgot to mention the Stokes here on the 90 are well in oversold territory. So a reversal from here, quite likely. Anyway, when that reverses, the Stokes here should also reverse. RSI should reverse. And we have a chance to move up. We're seeing that bull flag here on the 6-hour chart now. But yeah, if we can see that take off, we're heading up towards 92. Breaking through 90. And we have a chance to flip 90 again. We have flipped 85 here on the daily, by the way. It was actually 2 days ago. 2 days ago that we flipped it. I forgot to mention that, but yeah, that was also bullish. Bullish. So there's some bullish signs, bullish patterns, bullish things that are lining up, but these bearish patterns with their nasty downsides are still there, so we have to be pensive. Volatility seems to be getting lower, much lower here. Volatility seems to be getting much lower here, although it is starting to curl back up here on the 90. The Bollinger Bands are fairly tight, and we're currently at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. So a move back to the top of the Bollinger Bands, not going to be unheard of. Which would also invalidate that diamond pattern like we were just talking about. Let's move this bottom of this flag over a little bit. You'll see that we're still in the flag. And even if we reach the bottom here of this trend line, the bottom trend line of the flag, and bounce from there, well, we'd still be putting in a higher low and maintaining our upwards trajectory. We are coming out of the downtrend here on the daily. But the Stokes are in overbought territory. They could get stuck there, though, if we see the Stokes here and here start turning around. RSI here, putting in higher lows, higher highs, showing that uptrend. We're in bullish territory. We're over the signal line. Things are looking kind of bullish. Aside from being overbought here on the Stokes, things here on the daily are looking like a reversal's coming. Yes, sir. So let's take a quick peek at the 22 just to see what it would influence the 90 like. Okay, look at this. The 22 has found a bottom at the Stokes. Is coming back up. It was oversold here on the RSI as well, starting to try to come back up. Yeah, we're in bearish territory now on the Stokes, or I'm sorry, on the RSI is in bearish territory now, but it's heading back up. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, this could be the bottom. Could be reversing from here, like I was saying before. Let's check out the 5. The 5, on the other hand, seems to be getting stuck on the RSI in bearish territory. We'll see if it can pop out into bullish territory on this push, or maybe the next one. Maybe come a little bit lower still. Let's see, how low did this get? This got down to like 86.5. So we might see that happen again. We might see 86.5 again. Go a little bit lower even. But we're looking for that reversal. The Stokes are strong here. They could reverse, they could, you know, fall back down, or they could get stuck. Let's look at the one. The one, the Stokes are also overbought. But the RSI is in bullish territory now. Here. If we can see this, the RSI, or sorry, the price action get back over the 200 here on the one, that'd be great. That would signal to us that we're going to probably get back over it here on the, well, we'll try to get back over it here on the 5. But being under them on both of those and the 22 now, well, that's a bearish sign, being under the 200 moving average. That's that purple line there. If we can get back up over it on these lower time frames, that'd be great. Otherwise, we're probably going to move back down to 85. This diamond will hit. See it trip back down to 85, meeting up with the 200 here, and hopefully staying over it. Yeah. All right. Got anything else for you? Not really. You know, practice for good risk management. This could be a bull trap. This could be just like, you know, hey, get bullish again, y'all. And then they get y'all bullish, and then they dump the price again. Who's they? The market makers, the whales, them people. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Music courteously provided by Luminist and Beloa. You guys are awesome. Keep that ish up. Much love. See you later.